Wana eye ni youth connect a wa sha ase also person ni mabunu ni hia on mabunu ni di nkomo wa akuapem not na fe nkasa bi e wo won niema bi e ha wo adwene niema enkoye emma eye mabunu no o pese on won hia edi nkomo enti wa hye sa to na ase youth connector wa sha ase no sha ase wo obosoma ase akuapem eye kwasida ye atwam yi na utu wani kwahwe eye obosoma ase akuapem kwasida ye atwam yi a na nya gori wo ho obosoma ase ohene
Gano
ahimfo ene panyimfo wo bebre eba adwumadi na ase ma woni eye owura samia okubehia ba twetwe nkomo na ohene baako anana na baako ya ne nsem no na eja wo mu mame pa ya friend Nana Chenku Sofo Pare the second. Nana Chenku Sofo Pare the second. Ono Chenku Sofo ewo obosumase akuapem udu kuro no na wa mmoni dinkura na wo ka action mana obi abekere wo ampa no kware ni midu kuro no me sha sete action man ansa na papa no e sha sese ampa o kire me ni action okasai okire yenwura same eguse ne won afra ne ntama na wo ka kire no nyanu bi no no wo ka kire no obaso ka no kware de kire no ni ekoso wo kwapema mu ni ekoso wo bosomase akuapem na enye yende ono omfura ne ntama sane ebinim kwanani ma wo ofran nsam ntama no Nana Chenku Sofo Pare the second wo bosomase akuapem papa ne kasa no eya mi de yiye ba ebi so okasa ni birim okasa masame akunhu samba niema bi enkoye no se nyankopon ye nadom no timi be fa ba anwa betena akuapem not se mrahye bedwani wogina ye nganam ewo mrahye begwamu a sensem ye hawo obosomase akuapem sensem bebere ye hawo kwapeman no onko no nko ka ho nsem ngire won onka ne sa keke onye mu ya famra obosomase akuapem no hu sampa se ne wa bankrofo boje ne so no Oba be ye adwuma Nana Chenku Sofo Pare the second Nyankopon enhira wa mempene da Abusha siyegusu anansam nso a fuel prices no gusu kwa na ekosoro egusu foro se me na wode ka sai se ukodu filling station now so better diesel anase petrol amepacho Ubeto diesel per liter no uto no 14.92 pesos 14 series 92 pesos and out of 1 liter now petrol petrol so dia na ye 14 series 80 pesos and out of and ye beje bre ye mpanyfo be di nkomo se ya na be ye ni ana yen fuel no ebekoso na resist ebekoso na no boya ye den sa na bibie ni wa ye betimi aye die sisa price increment yi ana watwe ana bosumi bia eba na beto yen fuel no so e dia ho kire enibere ne pressure eba o man Ghana fo so no ye betuma ye ho bibia na ye beba wuram afa eye free SHS bill assessee and that parliament one person wo jetum one person mrahye bedwamfo wo som wo ye ne mra wo ye ne mra chese mra ne de obi antimi muso enti se be ye party A party B ana party C mbo ne betina ba enwam no ontumi mfa ne nsa enka free SHS no nemo mo be hwe manakoso Wogoso when a Ghana National Association of Teachers what said abi say what hwen koma ekoso abang no koma wodi and send your oye sa free SHS bill dia e kamia ye say won aye won politicizing won aye na manyosem won aye free SHS bill no won aye no amanyosem Ghana National Association of Teachers and what is sensem ya ba betu dwa e na ebejebere e be bo pingpanyfo na fei enchiremu bia wo ho no wo de aba no wo de aba bedom yen Nyankopon yadoma afi 2024 December 7th. Oman konkron Ghana. Yesan akwa yanim bio. Akwa to aba. Ne ye de akwa yi oman pahini foforo. A oba bedi oman yanim for the next 4 years. When ye ku bi dia babetu gwa. Africa Center for Digital Transformation. AC DT. What in Sambia Babetuwa was a afi Ghana extended the chance of a cyber attack threat ahead of the 2024 general elections. December 7th. Was a young man here, you bring a cyber attack. It is a year, a to obey, now you the internet, you yes, I bear from free, and I bear you may. Profubeti me a hacky, a system, no. So, watch out. Profubeti me attack system, no. I'm a resource group, may ye. Near men to me, she say, Ghana for any stakeholders. Woman, woman, in now, one chassis, MP, one hour, Befason, one ball. A fee about your quack to 2024. Obeshasi Abobang, said fan a internet in some way, Befaso Yadi. A battery who Juma. Be unfun when you will be better over to me. I am when I didn't Trebia bar, I didn't media bar. But to me, Abua. Na oyonde ni basabasa yebiensi no Africa Center for Digital Transformation o se one more day no one this adwuma no abusha me no ka say cement prices and so egusu afrosoro egusu abobokosoro ama won a wosi adan contractors paying for what this cement here adwuma wogusu awakasa wakan sembebre asese eya twitwamene eya we evisa na wotwe biara abre ne dom biara obekwa akoto cement na ade beche no won asa atum anonso abusia na ebejebre na ya ne mpanyefo ade nkomo election 2024 what's about me and your support, baby? Eddie Effie, Wanga, Wababa Twaba first time or one life move. Wanga was limited registration exercise, no? Global Info Analytics. Or the Ababa Tuba. Also, what TTM no Washemua. His Excellency, the Vice President of the Republic and flag bearer of the New Patriotic Party, Dr. Mahamadou Bawumia. When you support the FE, some of Freya, and now Wanga, limited registration exercise, and global info analytics for. And what is answer me about Tuga? Free SHS has collapsed private schools. I wish our private schools for this way. I get private SHS. One of them no. Wosun. I am winning you. What's tinka ebane den ana abang ama won to me. Say one for me a school. One for me a senior high school. Say abang dia yanga yen free. A obi etimi kobi. One so private SHS no a Ghana bang ya ne ma won to me. Say one fan ko no one fan ko be a private school. Say be ye no bi so na ni je ho ana obi so pese oba private school a one so aba okoma in the rule. Na time na school no aya adwuma no aya samre a na aban school ho wo tua school fees na private schools wo tua school fees. Officer now for babia ubeti school fees inti. Obia pe baby no wakwa. Say private SHS what's it? Abang free SHS what they buy ye. Ama one school sunu egu. Me no ka say obia ni school mo ha. There are so many private SHS. Many who can say, Egu, Wangatum. What if you? Wanga Wagusu was Kumua. Private SHS, no, so one students. Aya fia kitikitikibi. Tubako. Aka first years. I be a general art, visual art, science, home economics. 1 year, Sanya Maynano. What can first year students in a bidding new 20? Now, then, Tina Banga year school ni free. Now, me the minko to your school fees, wa baby. Obi any wa beko. When a private school is easy, Abang, Anka Wama won 2 million. Says here, many what they can say, Ghana bankrupt because of money, enough infrastructures in T. What running double track system, our free SHS Yimo. Abusia,
Okuma in the rule.
Eti, Bibi anywa bangi beti mi a yafa home. Nanka private SHS yi, and also for teachers are, etia wonka. Nanka bosome, once 1 year bibi kakradi kofie. Kwa buya busiano abang won timi nyangu bibi nanka onfa private school sui ama mekanidi ho na mofra anka wo be school 2 months na won akotena fie 3 months wo ba 1.5 months na won akotena fie 2 months nanka sade ni enyai obisa me no kasa sese private SHS ni nyina gu ho a obi anti dan num abusia Wanga to school room. Obiya ni school mu ha. Hina nonko school nonko chiesika. Waberekwa abanga ye ne de free. Sa abanga ya so no ma private school so itumi. Se monko na monso monko biye school. Na yemfa tete Ghana mofra no. Aye dan na esi hu kwan enke obere bo me pesa meti ase. Se abangi batri private school sabata no nanka wongati nya rani normal school hours normal school months so they then time no ye ko school 3 months and now 4 months ye makwanga ye nyina na ye ba fie se ye bi kwa na bi ba ebi di so red na ebi di so green na ebi di so yellow because infrastructure baby amofra no beda baby a wo bedidi baby a wo betena no wo ngasua de no aban no anibi bebre a betim ye contain free SHS mofra yi at once dan ne was aban ne ye efrisa da bia meka me say ni obeka se free SHS enyen na nipa no me nhyɛ dan ten na se ye ne momo no sen ni yeguso a yerra ne free SHS no sasa etimi bua mofra no na se kura de meti se won asen propose se wo pese wo twa BC nsohwem na wo ye SHS 6 years wo pese wo twam na wo ye SHS 6 years enti se nka wo be wie JHS a wo ntwura exams bia na yenga pia automatically no waba senior high school na ubedu wo momu a wodi mfie sia ya ba ko 6 form bio na wodi awie SHS ansa na wati aso akọ university senior mpanyimfo pese wototo niema bia no wo how bia ne hu ne momo no private schools assess ya wo su wanga say sika esi school adan wanga say sika aye nkonwa wanga say sika a build school compound sanka mo franso mbra me suade mo fra me panim dia sani okọ government schools na wayen na sasia free SHS ba ya abangi yamfa wanka hunti sa schools yi nyina wanga tutum wanga tutu bebrem abusia san komai na me pese yedi nkoma enya direct impact wo nipa na brabo so Jumedi so we don't do partisan politics. That be America. Yense party bi atare. Atare ye say yo kwape man atare. Eye poeman atare. Na ye omanga na atare. Enti si ye betre Jumedi issue a. Eye nkomo nsem ade ebe bua mo kwape man afa ne ntama pefra na ebia kan poeman ni omanga na wone kase yom. Tidenti na be mo bi tumi na wasanga for kwambe so asay tumi na kitanan private schools for wosun private schools for ana won ano dem no me pese me hu se bibi biara ni ho abanyi betimi aye bio senke beye na private schools for once wo betumi akoso ara ni one schools no sanye sese bebre agui se wo private schools no mu a abusuan wanya wo besu so kwa infrastructure se guo no bia ntim na aban free SHS mofrei once what tifie na wanya classroom ntenam abangu na tumi ni yawde entinka kwan bia so faso we infrastructure kran doso why you free SHS why yade no matter how it is minimisa abamu wa bi fia deso and I'm free SHS so and then me no dey ka say o UK abrochimam ehon wakwa kodu a ochia na disia so abamu ya meka na asem yi baby no nantew keke eco school enya gori enti say yade anka wo tua school fees a enya dia anko betu makobi da abusia sensemi anam gusu a mene woka aha your command radio 97.1 MHz okuman dawuru ana wasuguso a wotie no meeting the anka obere ponjumadi me na medi ho chiame mfa sanka kasafere ne egusu tie a yesomo kama kama
Oseye Gano, Oseye
Okuma in the room.
Oseye Gano, Oseye Gano. Ma weni ni se wo free Ghana, ma weni ni se wo ye Ghanani, ma weni ni se wo free Ghana. Ma weni ni se wo ye Ghanani.
Ghana ya deshiman.
Ose
Ghana yo man fefe.
Ose
Yo sika wo meimo.
Ose
Yo koko wo meimo.
Ose
Yo demo wo meimo.
Ose
Yo timba wo meimo.
Ose
Bibiara hiya yenyo.
Ose
Bibiara hiya yenyo.
Ose
I am weninyo.
Ose
Weninyi se wo free Ghana.
Ose
Weninyi se wo free Ghana.
Ose
Okuma in the room.
Ghana,
Okuma in the room.
Ose
Oseye Ghana,
Okuma in the room. Okuma in the room. Okuma in the room. Okuma in the room. Lyrics
on the beat.
Okumanda Okuyapiman, Epie Mantem, and the Ghana and Dasso. Niamu Pesebu, no one on the movie. Niamu Pesabotino and Namasugusi. Niamu Pesebu, no one on the movie. Niamu Pesabotino and Namasugusi. Yansho. You don't want to say. You don't want to say. Yansho.
Okay, Busa Sabri Yanganya Mr. Richard Watame ono no ye head edema Kindakoko school I was so many patem ho. Mr. Watame you mo kwa ba de Command Radio 97.1.
Yo so
Me ba cho na mpom ti den anyimre yi.
Okay.
Me ba cho ho ti san anyimre yo.
Awo me ho ye pa na mo so.
De nyango pa dom yanso ye ho ye wa pa. Private schools, free SHS, aboyamo anase emoyamo ye.
Oh, free SHS no dear. Ban private school dey yankan because on the inception of the free SHS, any government na ya ye near was saying na senebe ya omuni yen be free SHS no ho. At least a cut of the bemo to limit boa but as I speak with you now dear, private school Biani Ghana Mua can say free SHS no. It has brought progress to it. Debbie. I mean, you can say almost all private schools they are done in remedial schools. They are done in pure remedial schools in the sense say Unyang Form 1, Unyang Form 2. It's an control wasi and unfortunately, me too was unfortunate because when you say umbrella got show us fairly and some buy a hole. Well, unfortunately, I'm go fairly and some back some other show. Exams biom and technically sometimes I'll bet you more form to now boa and answer no baby answer na nyame boa then they do well and the free SHS made dear adipa nan so the implementations in the strategy our government has share na and moi ama e be addition kapon koyi sa tracking system ni dia dey ni na koyi
okay
I say the other option I want to say because of this tracking system, we have a 3 months, 4 months, and then 2 months on a school. No, sometimes you get average. One can also come to classes to join our regular Form 1s or Form 2s. So we are doing our best, but you don't see them as a pure student. And my brother, Yaman Koyama private schools, so.
Okay, say me no ka say the money normal students or why be what Form 1. Form 2 and answer Form 3 Kindakoko.
Yeah, Kindakoko you're running very, very, very good school. We have first, second, third years. Okay. But the only unfortunate me say school no say Adani the beach say funnel. We don't say 10 years but as 10 years meaning say Form 3 yes so many. But that Form 1 I will not be surprised say apart from me any other private school they can say only Form 1 they say 5, 10. I will hear there 3 to 7 copies. If one 5, if one 10, if one less than 10 people, very, very, very pathetic.
Say many they can say first year students, one in science, general art, visual art, home economics. One now can one boma one do be
12. Very embarrassing.
First year students.
Yeah, 5 courses and our 12 Form 1. Despite the pass rates, the wonderful works, everybody are more important in our name about Kindakoko. The first years are just 12. Very, very unfortunate.
Then come on, money abangadi. Then some money on wakakosi.
But there, to be very honest, about education, I wouldn't feel shy to say it is not a listening government when it comes to education and its implementation. Well, meaning say it be time private institutions so complete. So see there is a new way we are able to say BC government on person boycott extended private SHS to 6-year program. That is a the free primary state of SHS. It's a new policy they want to implement. Meaning, can say almost your Nasia. Need genius, your Nasia. Nasia should buy no. Who are the crowd, private school, they try this, we bring our suggestions and everything on board, but still no input. So we just leave it to the faith. The only thing I then say, we are positioning ourselves well. We are still in the good books of all parents. And parents will come to the reality. They will know the importance of private schools when it comes to development. But for this government, to be very honest, it is not a listening government.
Wow. It's just I mean, the money any that subia wa bang say wash and Bobby Sebia or the mobile can't free SHS and now obey or the Aquang be go said the bay and Kamusum Bitimania Mofrana, much on what you almost couldn't.
I mean, it is a new campaign from Mr. But as we speak in here, and it's also the young horse. There be the Domugabu in your shows, a government, no munya, Southwest number one, government school. No. The other government schools not moving any, I do more 1,005 form 1, 1,007 form 1. I'll be done better for your problems. Well, the chef facilities are good, but your teachers need very excellent and competent people. But when we are hoping, say, in the course of time, we are not relaxed, and we'll be doing what we are supposed to do, and we are improving on all the best. We are improving on everything. Though a very pathetic one, so we are improving.
Okay, Sabri in paying foot you, a bemuni, a Ubetimia Sangasi, we say miso, near Manka, Wadigu, Aquaman, Cabeye, more private schools, a bemo de yepa.
Oh, in the first place, the Davaya to saw the first teachers are back. Now, to say, yes, they should go back to the drawing board and re-implement the strategies because, one, not can you advocate for cut-off points. Say, free this category of people from here to here, from here. The students crap are more just at the same time and cost because the omni say Mupel square call. I got the free, Omudian say, you can't go to the other. The DV, I failure, I call Kindako, you failure, I call Ham say. And yes, stress are bino, they should go back to their drawing board. In fact, the truth is they know better. And Omuni was someone yet. We give them our proposals every now and then, and we are only pleading, say, I'm called drawing board. So now, at least, stakeholders engagement. So that's me. We put a wall behind the mom. Now,
Mr. Watami, what do you say, baby? I will put you more friendly because Sabri, Wabeba, SHS foot you. Can we be a cratch or a year private school so more operations?
And I can say, parents, Mukoso confidence for you because yet they're Udubana. So once you crap out the school, say in the name of school fees, you are making sure that it comes judiciously. Your monitoring, the BBR is very excellent. So how many can crap on me office in the school? I say private schools the entire money to work. And all the parents, someone did what you must and be and we are rid of for me in terms of every aspect. And should an academical result about subine to a panini in yebi. And she can't too much, but Omunya did what you monomun for private school share. Then they are the crown, Omushia war, Mumamu Dachino, Omusambeka.
Mr. Tommy, you better do what Sibe say, and you may. Ujebre now this century me bedroom here Okuma radio.
But and I quick one, Mami Fa, tsunami, extending well wishes to all listeners and everybody, especially all the past students of Great Kindakuku. And I want to let them know that our principal's funeral, unfortunately, their papa can baby, a school proprietor and uncle can baby. Okay. And in school funeral, that's on the 2nd of August. And to me, invite your money now. Though official never get invitation to but me fa opportunity and then in our condolence, may can say, between 2nd to 4th August. I'm going to move my number, some move for me, and they are send a name copy to me, man. I'll let them know.
Okay, Mr. Asami, you're the papa, baby, and me. Yo. Okay, we say, Mr. Richard Watami, or your head, Edema, Kindakoko, SHS, or so many. Ano this in semi about domain ote ninsema oka o say ni first year students if general art copying visual art science home economics why 5 courses ewo kindakoko no ni first year students nyina 12 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 schools ni bi about schools ni bi first years 1,500 e bi 2,000 wonya baby ntena no wasian de wonya baby mpo no wada nsɛm yi na egu so abusua yɛ di ho ɛyɛ nkɔmɔ na afei yɛn ehu sɛnea nneɛma bɛsi fa akɔde afa na ɛyɛ fuel prices a ɛno nso gu so kɔ so no yɛbɛdi ho nkɔmɔ ɛnkyɛ bia yɛgu so a yɛtoatoa ɛyɛ nhama no si yɛbɛnya mpanyinfoɔ na wɔde nkyerɛmu abrɛ yɛn ebi sɛ yɛanhwɛ no yie a sɛsɛ mpo yɛn transport fares deɛ da hɔ yi a yɛsu hui oforo kaa fi ɛkuropɔn ekotutu a 850 ebi gye 9 cedis ofo wonam okwapema yi mu wɔnhwɛ no yie uso wobɛkɔ adu kurom ne aburi 2 times a 50 ana 60 Ghana cedis wɔnhwɛ bɛyera wɔnhwɛ no yɛ bɛyera na wogyina okwapema mu ne nyinaa yɛ ɛyɛ yɛn fuel a da biara da egu so a ɛforo soro na empɛ sɛ ɛbɛgyina mpo na nka ahwɛ yɛn anim kakra mpo mene ka sɛ asanga hwiri akɔ soro bio ɛno ne yɛhwɛ anim sɛ yɛbɛnya mpanyinfo ana na yɛne wɔn atumi adi ɛyɛ nkɔmɔ afei ɛyɛ civil ɛyɛ kurosakfo wɔn nso mene woka sɛ yi ɔman no nyinaa mu wɔn ate atua wɔsɛ wɔkɔ demonstration dede wɔkɔ strike wɔde wɔn bibi biara agu fam wɔn nsɛm bi a ɛha wɔn adwene ho ɛnkyɛ bi a yɛbɛba wura hɔ nso na afei yɛatoa ɛyɛ nkɔmmɔden ni so abusua mfa nsa nka kasa fidi no aha yɛ Ɔkoma radio 97.1
I am winning you. Winning is a free Ghana. Winning is a free Ghana. Gano, Gano. Yeah, Gano, yeah.
Okumanga uru enke obrempong no obo no wakanseniete Okumanga uru enke obrempong no obo no wakanseniete Okumanga uru enke obrempong no obo no wakanseniete
Ose ye Gano. Ghana ya deshiman
Ɔkoma in the room.
Osika wo meimo yo koko wo meimo yo demo wo meimo yo timba wo meimo bibiara hiya yanyo bibiara hiya yanyo I am winning you. Winning is a free Ghana.
Okay, abusua yɛwakɔ aba bio aha yɛ Ɔkoma radio 97.1 megahertz na sabride yɛnganya ɛyɛ ɔpanyini baako ɛwɔ ayi kasafiri ahamane so ɛyɛ Mr. Emmanuel Cherry ɔyɛ CEO de ma Ghana Chamber for Construction Industry yɛne ne ba bɛdi nkɔmmɔ de afa ɛyɛ cement prices so ɛno nso ɛkɔ so Mr. Cherry yɛwakɔ aba de ba Ɔkoma radio 97.1 ɛkɔpɔn kwapem
Ejo so ame ni abema.
Me ba cho na umpom ti dega nyimre yi.
Otweda mposa ahia ye me.
Ede Nyankopon ase. Why opanyini CEO dia ma Ghana Chamber for Construction Industry no. So cement prices ekosro a den ana ye amofam.
Mami fa opinion na mi da wase ma juma pa o body e Ghana ni pontuo. anifa nchianso ma wotiefo ni nyina na wafiefo nso say construction industry players no ye wo akadia different na ye di adwuma ye masesanya ma no nkan ho a ma ye hu re ma ne tende ye hu hia ye papa eno nti de bakuso na o boy cement and to cement e akutire pa wo adwumadia construction industry ye di adwuma so si akwenye a ekahu adansi a ekahu porto ekahu de enye ki concern construction dia no ubahu cement pan factor ewom enti sabat ni box high ye man send adwuma no ewo sikapem because most of times as business people and professionals they already say ye declare na adwuma enti krata odi be adwuma no eno na fa adwuma no ho enti adwuma bia aban ana obia de be hyewusa no ewo krata so na krata no so no prices of goods and other materials in Yanano, a womb, and the ABA, Marco BD for a project, and then we use a rate, a make never say 90 cities or market. And you deserve price, Luna, a BD project, And yeah, I don't know, we can't that project now. Or China, and so site, Echo Sakijima, Uber come market for cement, someone say 105 and 110. Which means between 90 and 110, the difference are every 20 cities abetos for one bago. And it's 1,000 bucks in order to calculating here, which means some of the bet you have difference, So that differential, abe extra, Emma contract and the houses are buying. And most of the times, are peculiar. And so be some questions, how do we feel? When I mean, depending. Times no customers are affect clients because most of the times the back here now a customer do you contact and a developer no you don't have any choice here. We call clients agriculture and say okay price ni nancy the see no our market say na go and this price here jumia mean me and fabi eka ho and most of the times no you contact for any the employer no engina affect one way or the other.
Okay, say why your paying woda say you makuya no then na mo ka kire bank for cement prices ni other materials are mo use to the edidi mujuma no.
One thing a number of stakeholder engagement last year and this year. That we need I did I could say and abiding through a Ghana Standard Authority, Eddie, to share to number one about the standardizations of the products. That's the quality. Second, the price control. Since price control aspect, abide through the Ministry of how do you call it? Trade and Industries. The ability just say or the airline at the and not only it will take 21 days as soon as they ever mature. And the problem here was that airline say at industry players, Krata or the parliament, yem dear and name dear or throw or sacrata no say that boy say and boy and you almost passiana by Amra now Amakuru at the swine. And when I have problem now, any Minister for Trade, Honorable, how do you call it, by Katie Hamo, how do you call it, China Ministry, because as consumers, a very price, a best stabilize. At the same time, then this who say producers, so I'm manufacturing sector, how are they feeling? Omu di mra edi wiyomu na mra no omu ntimi na mo djuma guwa ye consumers no ye contractor for ni mo mu si adan ni we ni nyina mbo so si dan we ni nyina no if an obenya sa product no akoto uko ne be country price no be more than what you are saying in the market today. And we are trying to protect both the egg, the golden egg, as well as the hen that is laying that egg. So you're saying, we must also price for them so that they also stay in business. Because no businessman who like it, through price and adjustment, baby. Indicators are almost to abide in step. They be on the purpose, be on my year, have a production. Now, prices of forex, that's dollar to CD, to CD, euro to CD, they be a CD, a bank from now international currency, a possible. And here be why calculation so, who see bay, maybe $1,000 a day, who's in my bedroom, not $1,000 will be quite, and so because forex, a possible. At the same time, Coca-Cola or Banga, and no back or China rate, I differ. The same time, energy, a power of the plant. The electricity, the say across water across fuel, plant, power of plant, and across. And you are expecting them to maintain the price. It doesn't work that way. And the buying has a role to play. And the air honorable Katie Hammond said, offer the Carter Eco Cabinet. The cabinet and two of my people. No one can comment so much in the upper $3 at home, £3 in euro. I bet stabilizing. I'm not stabilize here. For my German channel, automatically they stabilize the price or possibly be forced to reduce it. But in the midst of this, it's the policy of the engagement. Because and then you can say, petrol sector, only regulator all.
Yeah.
MPA is there. Then they are price control, price stabilization, and what have you. But and then the price not be adjusted upwards. And see, it's not about the regulations for airline. It's about the indicators, economic indicators. What are the factors, the driving forces? What are the things government must be looking at? All this energy must be channeled to how to arrange the dollar, how to arrange the the dollar to the city. Those are the things you must be fighting, you must channel the energies into. This toothless fight there is neither here nor there.
Okay. Mr. Sorry, you better ask me, say, Uj, Brady, Sanchemy, Ebrey, you hear will be at the Samba Hobio. Okay, thank you so much. Mr. Emmanuel Cherry, CEO for a year Ghana Chamber for Construction Industries, and our tenenka near our raw materials are we usually the one Jumano said the eto bribia over contract to be crowd or the budget to be to go, and Sana in Sabeka scan or Becono na prices ni bi oha ababeka ho ene niema bebrewa in favor won ene ogusu ana ochechim na wusia aha Okuman radio 97.1 megahertz Okuman dewuru ana wasogusu a utie ni sabi di eye Gloryland Pub and Full Joint we say men kan kire na bra bedidi bra na be feel good wo wa benkwan wo nkatekwan wo abunabunu wo just enkwan a ubetimi adidi afili ni won say ufifie se wo kwako didi wa bonten so efie aduan na wa kwakoto ebi se one day okwabe mama ntidun song one favorite soup nyina wo bi wa hwere ase akuapem Flowerport Junction bo modern se obekọ no wa kwako didi Gloryland na wa fili efie aduan ye papa emfa sanka safari no aha Okuman radio midin de enke obere ponjumadi me na midi eho echiame yedan ye ho aba na afei me panelist won aba betena se me ebo panelist pa won aba betena se na afei enen komo no ye de mu nchire mu nyina aba brɛ me da se El Shaddai El Elyon Adonai.
Hello, this is Frank Edu Asare, your anchor on the show Praise Zone on Okuman Radio 97.1. On the show, we serve you with carefully selected and Holy Spirit-ful songs to encourage, motivate, and set you in prayer. On Praise Zone, we have a segment for testimony at Dansi Diebre. Dengno Nyame Ayama, come and share with others. Also on the segment, we have kids Bible quizzes, kids memory verse recitals, kids Bible readings. Remember, this This program will be live on our Facebook and YouTube channel. You also have the chance to send in messages, to call into the program, and to request a song for a loved one. Why don't you join us to praise God together on every Sunday from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. Yenshia na yentrontro nyame yennanase na oye na nadoi ewo hoda. Why ye bia mayenshia every Sunday from 6 to 8 p.m. See you there.
El Shaddai, El Shaddai, El Elyon Adonai. Age to age, you're still the same by the power. Okuman Radio 97.1 FM. Ye doye for ye panesanti and a ye be and tabemedia mo be biara and numekwa rose. So pese ye born ye mo dero edemawa ya ye crado bra. Na ye no any dra and na so your suffer now pese wu preachy and na safona mo pese mu preachy a akwenya edda ho bibi na ato and na pese ye born dero edemawa akwenya edda ho bra and na say jingle hun sense productions na pese ye edemawa akwenya ewo ho and na wo ye show bi na pese ye be fan live ewo Okuman Radio so a akwenya da ho say ye edemawa ne hia ne se obefreying ewo 0202 993475 and 0594 630059 and 0246 246 875 Okuman Radio ana okriape mayano
Akuma in the room.
Oh, they want no fire.
Akuma in the room.
Oto ye mrade, isa ye mautumia. Omeri mu beyete, ya bravo beye fe. Nenupe, no ama ya pabe. Ye bie ya pro nyama ya kwabe. Papa wosikanso, ni medi hiao. Oko jesi chana wa breye mponyono. Amemu oboni esi konto bohini. Ehu fitempo ayese koko. Wana wobeka semeno ya she wonfunu muma.
Okuman Radio 97.1. Okuman Radio
97.1. Kota tishe, any proye. Umrebe so ye betu usia bare. Mudi yedi, kwa jevesia. Na mone magusia fu abeche. Ye kwa no nya wose ye.
Okuman Radio 97.1.
Bana nusia de, enti wo refi se su kuta no ebubu. Yeah. You belly fool when they kill you. So corruption and dirty games. And more refi se emri eni kaso. Yeah. Now we say we are your swap. Everyone you can need the yana was you for. But since the day you can hold rumble, who soon you will buy other yes set up. I don't who you na me too. Ara who you be no shame. Mama. Yeah. Yeah, to this yo. Yeah, that will come. The drop one, grab 19 minutes. Yeah, yes, you could so yeah, you mind yo. They want no fire who Oto ye mrade isa ye mautumia omeri mu beyede.
Okay, Abusia, aha Okuman Radio 97.1 megahertz. Okuman Deuru ana wasugusu autie no.
Osikanso ni me
yabo ne yakane sede ye pepepe de akyerɛ o. Yi bi mfim na ye mfa bi nka ho.
Sikonto bohini ehu fitempo ayese koko. Kona wo
meeting the yanke obrimpon. Mina midi jumedi e ho chiama. Sabre de mpanyfo ababe kaminsa ewo fidua yi mo. E ba be di nkomo nsɛm a etwagu eye na watwe mu. Enne titiriu ye de nkyiremu ba ne de ababe somo. But before that, nchiaka sepa mfa nkomo eye Mr. Bismarck Edu dodo na friend kwakudua anase wofa. Eye opani Kwame Wade ne mano ba kono no na eye memene de twam yi na owa yikasie bi pa ewo eye amansie amane aboso yes kokofu amane kokofu aboso kumase mpacha mo ba bi ma ye nyina ye kokogya no so de na se kese pa e de mane papa eye opani Kwame Wade ene ne yire eye oba panyin ya Boatema Penny Kwame Wadi and Niri Oba Penny Ya Boatama. O se near Wayam any aso yipa. Yankopon Shra, Munafi, Chias and Frank Coma, and I know Rudy Wadi and Kwaswahine, Dema a year Kwatiana Fe Kabaka Foundation, Kabaka Group, or ye Juma Winina Ukuja, a year Mr. Bismarck do, and I could do our fat, or say Yankopon Shrama, Prenda. Abusia, Yen Chair and Payfatina City, Yamun Wudamana, Yanni one ning come Uncle V. Now I'm home today. Bibi aboko de.
Nyame adom bibi aboko.
Yesi acha kakra.
No kware.
Wo bobo ntinu se. Enya na wonye kakra na fe. Mere wo ho na yenso ye de ende no ato aso.
No kware.
No kware. Yes I see the constituency today ma mi sa na fe yento ankomo no so ntentem.
Yo akra anwumere me de nchia kese be ma. Eya watiefo. Ene wa hwefo a wo hwe wo Facebook se me no kasa na me de nchia sonko be ma eya me bi anyem yang MPP yang presidential candidate Dr. Mahamadou Bawumia anwumere na me de nchia kese sorry ma national executive committee me say sabu go meeting so national council so wo meeting no me say anwumere go so me de nchia kese ma wo nyina na ma sang so achia miame PC4 Ekopo constituency Rasami Oku consider me bana meeting wo na me say na wo ka consider nyesi wo obosumase I'm say it's one of its kind na empire boni say odio sibe yoyo na sanya nyeme bia wo hye no ebetumi abana ye nyina no Ekopo constituency ejja bana ye tumi so edi ye nye mesrel na be nchia kesu ma mera bia yo yimiti ma me fa ni Felicia sorry mi chef Felicia papa
I know you team.
I know you team am na o tu kwa ngefe sa wa ba tina o je mani ma fuka ti wa ba ti fili o see fresh babin salon ya o ma nfe
okay
ti nyame adoma fija me bana wa twotwo mani kakra ma ti fili mi chia papa na mi chia mabusu afon so o ma nfe sabre o tie me oba si ni won akeka on nyina
Honorable Eric Asari Opare and now telling kind of a member of the communication team where Kuapim North constituency are my MPP now telling kind of Honorable
NK Obrempong.
Oh, I ready Mr. Niame Brown so
assistant Pamela referee. Oye mi nua po e wo mampom. But ja to me have come on sir. Ni referee me kra say. Ni referee me say me wo den. Na me tie po ni o na ye be sorry.
Fetch. Say about boy
sa.
Ora wo mo
Nyame adom na mo so e.
Nyanko ma daroma ahode ho pa.
Yo me hu say executive producer na afu na egusu ba wo.
Say assistant.
Wan ya obesan check ansa ne akọ.
Assistant panel ba se. Constituency today honorable.
Nyame adom. Bia boko. Enye boko kra madam fu bi se na hina na okoka kire.
Yes.
Baby o man yadua. Osutimi to be 5 hours and so still for my dingin. Okoka kire hina. Yo, enti no adwuma na na yegu so. Nyame adom wa mayen ahoden anwumre ya ba ye besom. Yo, ye besom NDC. Yen ani abre say nyame boa come 2025 7th January. Eye sare mu say jata. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Why you be da? Obesanga ye. Sena wo hwe ni victory no sena ete no a ereba no. Ete se nsu a emuna a eba beto. The way nsu na emuna na ahihye Klaus na ahihye no. Bibi biara entimi enchange sa resource no. Enti yare ye adwumaden so de atayachi sena ebe ya ebe manifest into physical realm.
Nice one. Enti Honorable Ebenezer Boafo Odum.
Sure.
Constituency executive member. Dema NDC Kuapim North constituency and what in cancer on also the ninchia egu form no yen chair hono Uncle Fee honorable Eric Asari Opare do na friend Uncle Fee enti say what Uncle Fee and onuana make no ho asem no election 2024 Bawumia gaining support among first time voters Global Info Analytics ano wodi aba wo si won a register new one see ya ba to abai wo tietie from wo hwemu ye one researcher as a yinra Bawumia wanya support bebre afi won ho sa asem rusum den
yo akra am say those of us in academia no aya na say obi research bi say na aya na ye bisa one or two questions what was population size, what was net sample size, and even methods or you see nyadi. Na I'm say bibia wonga ye na say one findings natural one say nyame kan say anye bibia meje wonga chinye. If you say wo hwe the main two political parties here pre 7 December battle now. Wo hwe nya Miami candidate Dr. Baumia area na. That's what case say youth no enya or pepe bi amana na no kware. Then tina make us the youth or Ghanaians in general are now discerning. Na youth ni bebree say no one interest in politics akosoro kano na akoye ya large guza be say hearing say obi say but say no be able to read, write, listen and now to me analyze it, understand issues that is going on, all thanks to this free messages about say bebree na no akobia ayi wonga sa nimdie ya wotumi analyze nyema ehu sabe wonga hu say the only person say what they want re ehyenyimu dache wobetumi enya bi afima na Dr. Mahmoud Baumia then America sa so what kaya wo yi no anche kra na okoye program bi wo UPSA or the 176 bullets nyema edani koma so say nyame ya adom this was their benua ne man 7 December no na January mu na was sworn into officer or the beba na Ghana for edi eti oka asembi na mesrew na makami bi kakra wa ha na wati me poto mi wi na be denye twi no aba
what time
you obita so say the information yeah also the challenges we must overcome ojetum say your challenges sabe one a what democracy by one a was what you can say it ojetum say there are challenges and also such challenges we must overcome as a country. It's too important for us to throw away our political differences. Na yebeba. That's yenya yebuma. Sene be ya nya ede ni so no ebetumi abemo no. Yan tonchene will not derail it. It's a bibia no bi ka asem say ya. That's a sebe we your bamboo na wutie. Na wo hwe ni 176 eyi na. Me no dumu ha me wi amede ma na on so wa can be. Na wo hu say na wo hu say ampa Baumia de ojanye nanso. It is a info analytics e kasa asem ya na wo dika. Nyame hu ni say Baumia is the best option for the country now. Say na okan no wo hwe ni nyama bi ni digitalization drive wo hwe the youth policies are also owo e de my youth no wo hwe phrases awodi aba wo hwe TVET wo hwe youth in agriculture, youth in what nyina no nyama bi youth no say if so what one re ora Baumia ma one future no ebeye kama unlike yankrofo ya so far me one policy ba ko pena wodi aba ene kwa no wonya kokan wasempe akrodum ye menua wa ba menya ko boso pe wan hwa nyibu be fum won 24-hour economy na menyim se jata no be yen se na no ka meti o se feje afi jata kontontom so ni ade ni nyina ya tete bi ti no ye hu eni pa ni iti youth no se wo se ukoyen jata no nga ba youth ni na youth no wori ni wachi obedi nyia sebe owo nyipa bia wo nse daachi bi wode won rehye nyim no to aba mana obetumi abeboa na won daachi mo nga tuma giye wo nga tuma nya bi ya aboa wo ho aboa won community aboa Ghana man na ma won impuntu kasese atuma ba
mate medazepa ankofi honorable global info analytics say Baumia hwa organic support pa fi new registers no ho no sa se muso den
yo na edi kan medase ewo akwanya a wode amame say nwumre memra na memedi NDC ho nkomo na based on question I will be me we mame 30 seconds
okay
na me de chia mempanyimfo bi na fe me de o answer na yeden atoya so yo ne edi kan my best studio hay me de chia mu ye dru my young flag bearer our the leader of the party odi yen akono anu a odi yen record 2024 elections December yi. Near to swear being young national chairman and any national officers nyina wɔboa no a wɔbɔ adwumason a yehu sɛ adwuma no impuntu na eden reba rekɔ n'anim yebe sang ne aba region young regional chairman, Eastern regional chairman Dr. Mark Oliver Kevo ɛne ne executives medinchia mu yɛden ɛma wɔn afei mia me constituency a me yɛ executive member Akuapem North constituency me chairman chairman Dan Ayre a ofie Kropong ha me secretary Bacha me organizer Ernest ɛne wɔn keka ho nyinaa afei nso no deputy youth organizer a me ne Nakranda George Odro Jr. Say we say who new title na den deputy commander na deputy commander onim Bema camp bichia wanwumre yawe mfum ene won ekeka ho nyina Paulina obi a wanti ne din bia no on consider ne ho se machia no yo meba wasem bisa no so you see there is a problem with young current democratic dispensation a ye wo mu ni nti America sa ne say say ebedu bribi no e was a constitution no say ehun beba kwan a ye de integrity clause so ne ade ye den ehim de nti na America sa we have a sitting vice president or ba pro na apro no obo no o campaign it say an opposition leader be or exile onim what is going on in the country nor it can be different from the realities on the ground. Mr. Remy Bisesi, at what point a certain vice president obe take credit for what the current government has done? And at what point no obe dissociating from the mess which is going on? As we speak now, and say global info analysis, what this feedback we are then aba. Say some of these activities, they are very common with incumbent governments because they have huge funds and they have a lot of budget to finance in terms of campaign-related activities. Normal. Now, since when we say na otebasima kin paluta, eteno what the asaw ade. Normal. At the end of the day, what's in your way, bro? No wedding in Koko. But yenfa mufrana America wan asem no was were first time then voters. Meaning say one average age between 18 to somewhere 20 to 22. Into why ma what in amateur on say there are a lot of issues na once worry started abrabono. I'm even sure say most of them say we university our level 100 in Yakeka. We are still talking to them. And when I say we are, we the parents, because one day one as we speak now, no, what did you fear? And now, yes, I'm to your own school fees into one share down then, and no one if you remember, once the first time I will vote you know, me assure say, O papa be, o auntie be, o of be no kasai, no kasai, and what the toto near ma a good form whom he say, either say some more cano, a bossy muka, and I say, I some more can I say my then. But say what the current hardship, any economic mess, any state capture, any niema basabasere koso, a year 2024 ding, and untino me some of these results from the pools now, and between now and December, a lot of things are going to change. In our side, when I talk of NDC, we are going to improve on a lot of communication. Secondly, MPP, they have the opportunity to redeem their image between now and December. But unfortunately, what's it? Agro ebeda if you are not many work party, many work party no one my mini club bako, many wo. And one my disposable cap being say yenche. Ye no mu pe I was here fi party nas because party no eren so. Se party ni be so a obonso what the mini club one create abeden. Abesi one was a men on yen den. Yenre. All that they have done in the last 7.5 years, actually say they don't have the antidote and our solutions to the Ghanaian problem. And untino, what Baumia, His Excellency Vice President Baumia, or around or Kenya, and Nadasem, Nansen Utini Sea War, Nairobi, Kenya. Baumia war the characteristics of the current Kenyan president in the presence of your friend William Ruto. What is happening? They say a lot of things when they are behind the seats, just to convince people, just to persuade people to give them the power. When they come, they get the opportunity, then they do different things. Ruto, the man who children no back when they say, or the tax ko to brodo so, brodo, or the tax here then ekoto so. We remember some time back, His Excellency Vice President Baumia, okachire yense, in fact, Momo, Ebama ehiafu, inti never in his government, and what even 0.1% tax, ebe to any electronic financial transactions. So in the end, then they ended up proposing 2%. Then eye bufu kra wo mun say MTN no the first product eye momo ne buy no ono ankasa no ne charge no eye 1% to transactional charge where oba be parasite na wo dey enhance wo revenue no wo propose so pa 2%. Wo pre ko si 1.5%. Ye miss say 2022 wo start ejije sa E11 no akonta ben no bu a kire Ghana fo Medema no baby see for the first round no. Ye miss I won say oman a ye wo gold, bauxite, diamond, timber, cocoa ne yekeka ho nyina no. Yetumi bogwa ebo yensem say IMF abring $360 million as a third tranche of sika yakoje ayebosia yakoje wo won ho. Now at the same time we have individuals in the system a woni track record of any proper business. They are able to tell us, say, we betima offer 4 hotels belong to the state at a tune of $200 million. Does it make sense? It doesn't make sense. We are building a monster in this country. It will get to a point, individuals will be more wealthier than the country itself. And I don't think it's the best way to go.
Honorable Medasi. Honorable Dumna, Angavi. Oh, 2 minutes. You will be a fat two for me. Who's our church?
Oh, my body too. Now, yeah, so I'm saying, Macro Casano, Okikan Simbi, wouldn't say, President Akasaba for it, and another Dango Kufado. Ababa Kesi. Or yet maybe say, Vice President, so I am man. Sabi, Tembi America, say, Yawahi, Komang Ewura. Nia. Opa ebia na nka wokwa ka nkwa nka bia ka wo show yi nka be na nopa eso nya akwa nya wajeba ma ono ana wo hwe na wo ye o se o digitalization e she ba mi ase onye e ma no nya nso de wajibu ndokwara ma na a president se ye yi mamia you can't do otherwise it e bibia se kana for etiase no ka ba momo tax be de buy it's on record say current presidential candidate, Vice President Dr. Baumia, Akese, on day he was one person that he kicked against that tax no. Waka on countless number of occasions. The other day, Oka make say Bibia Nakasa Kese on day no he was against it. My president is Emraswa. Who are you? So because say them to me now. So what you can also on or a mate in quotes. It's I say yet na I don't know can say yeah you were a lot of minerals but some minerals say na ka abanga sesa nka obitam a whole bauxite e de ma nyinua ya mabema nka sa yi nke kodu abakope nchen it ye ka hu say de yes your challenges for man nimu na sana Dr. Baumia kama ya tase no yen na se ebom ye nipa ba ko a those challenges no ye betumi aye na magnet tumpon
Medasi honorable obi bia obeto afio
yo medican or can be about digitalization anona medican kan say obi a say ohun say bibi ya papa pe na ode ne ho ayeden akotare ho saa nipa na no ohun say bibi enkoye pe o say mini ho bi na woyeden woyey the same man he's supposed to be the head of the economic management team Ghana ha economy ni ho nhyehyɛ nyinaa ɔno ne one head wɔdwendwene sɛ CD ɛne dollar issue yi ho wɔn a no wɔdwendwene trade issues Mary Bay metie interviews a wɔyɛ nyinaa no obia ni hɔ a wɔfrɛ na n'ani gye what is happening in terms of businesses and trust me hwɛ ɔman yi sɛ yɛn ho bɛtɔ yɛn a gye sɛ sɛ youth na wɔsi wɔn akɔ wɔn hɔ ama wɔsi sese no one interest for Baumia high no just when you're doing aye. But if you look at the posture of this government, how they started and where they have brought us so far, Mwabe collapsing more businesses than creating the enabling environment, the private sector na grow. As we speak now, cement producers, one a trade ministry at Tremanso. They didn't watch Tremanso. At the end of the day, cement, 80% of materials are wo use at the manufacture no. Efi amanone na eden eba. Obi aso ni say opesa o kra bi fi amanone a. You cannot use Ghana cedi to do the transaction. Yes, we change. This year no can say $1 is almost 16 cedis. $1 is almost going into exchange as 16 cedis. Na such a person or krasa anyama we nyina ba. Na u light na watu so no ufu ono de bekwa akoye delivery of the end product no u water na watu so no ene niema na watu to so no san de ka ho a na wo se wo san be hye ne se wo be kire no how much a onye den on ton product no is it the best? No. Yeri bay Meriba mpachi we de memfa we ntwa Meriba me sure say ono kra o ye teacher ni no we plan this once we be strike. I'm telling you, national service ayi personnel for no 5 months 6 months one allowance mine niema basa nti am obi aye den high nti onya ye num dwa na asebi ona mo ye den odwa no na emum nea wode ama no onye wie no onka ho asem how he is going to clean that mess. That is the most important thing. Medase
ye pa Angofi yebre nti ye be ye asema edi so the Civil and Local Government Staff Association we trust of close sack was it one ko strike or shall say enne because salaries be our pay wa bang ni ho on firm my conditions of service and my say me pacho so den
yo am say it's not kind no quarry we say me esan say me ya assemblyman no many wonga na civil close up for you yani wonga na adwuma and no quarry am say we say one abang no fair wages and salary commission for Tnase. She said, "You be almost about a year and a half ni. Who send you echo and quarry." Now make it be make can say whatever is due a worker. No man pay go forecast be. Also, if you pretend to pay workers, they also pretend to work. It's a mestre. A strategy am abang. So one share na she say be a wo be a any many ya no one share. Now one won't share because one won't share. One promise on one share. Senior nurses allowance will be someone some quickly. Say I refuse na ba one share. Na quickly no ke kanyama mum. Na one share yin ye bibia say e twen nyama ko achi. Na one share because a day pe one amadwuma e say nyama bebre because me no ka say see me wo issue bi wo e ye manfe. Taxi drivers issues bi a e say senka assembly no is in session a e was senka betumi ko na nka me ko twa na bomba e na me se me ko na wo say wo strike nti one share na yede wake kanyama bani na nyim ya won hwe na won samra adwuma na nye say whatever is due dem bia no aban no hwe don fama won yan bibia ye bia
okay medase honorable dum close akfo work or strike
yo medase close akfo wan ho kekan enya me won na enti anya me won ne say the behavior of the current Ghanaian worker is reflective of the state of our economy. Meka kosi say minimara, but it is looking as if say nwatwi wo man no condemn eno ti sika pa de ebi ni oman. And so you cannot run a country without money. And into ubasha, it's been one strike after the other. Last week or so, na laboratory for laboratory technicians.
Yes.
Work or strike. Once one demand anything, working conditions. Wemo and the government echo year negotiations last year. So you remember say obi negotiations last year with certain figures. Now to me implement those figures here. And then say we implement here we loser because the conditions are ojina so those negotiations last year no. And then those conditions a change. Those are the issues. Inti no te send a menu aneka government no onya na da ne technicalities ni bureaucracy ni niema no. Mary Bay metie Labor Commission one executive secretary. Ofosu Asamoah. They should show some level of commitment. Not one share na nipa high. Say obi eti ekropon ha na otwa kwan ekwonkran as a closer member adwuma. Previously, not fair hina notia. As we speak today, the person is paying about 22 cedis to get to Accra. No do Accra nenya me ayena dom na so san faka fufuro to aso ko officer. How is he going to manage it? Or if fifie no ahina ojama ebusua. Okodunkran ho a ahina obeden obedi. Those are the calculations onipa ya. Then we become almost like magicians. Say nipa no ahe na bosomi wotua no. And how much is he demanding? And over a year. Does it mean we don't need their service again as a country? If we indeed do then the government and those who ought to take the right decisions. What do want to say? Not the Kodia was one farmer. Now one sure says half of us will be yet a druma. I did the needed revenue bedding. Ebeba.
Honorable Midas, your Okuma Radio 97.1 megahertz. Okuma Deuru ana wasugusu out here. Me amidi jumedi in chame meeting at the NK Obrempon. Sabri everybody we have Facebook. Now messages are ekoso our Facebook no so no ye dey abremo. Enti we Kwame Zu from Yensiso. O say from Yensiso Ekropon. My greetings to John Evans Kumoji, incoming member of parliament for Kropon constituency. I say, Mahama promised from 2025 all architectural drawing of every school structure will have bungalows attached to help accommodate teachers to save them from renting. And aside from that, teachers who will accept posting to remote areas will receive additional 20% of their salary as an incentive. JDM say no to state capture. NDC Mahama change is coming 24-hour economy. Kwame Zu Yesusu no dey buy. Where NDC warriors or say upon all the hardships Ghanaians are going through, the incompetent president Nana Addo Dankwa is still doing appointment, and the CI Tukono, Chief Justice Tukono, recommending judges to be appointed. What at all is happening? Mother Ghana is really in the wrong hands. Regards to regards to Ahmed Agbenyazi and John Evans Kumoji, and no free NDC warriors. Where Kofi NDC say finance minister is insulting the integrity of Ghanaians while he was making claims that the economy is showing signs of strong recovery. The reality on the ground tells a different story. Basic commodities are becoming more expensive almost every day. Fuel prices are on the rise and the city is depreciating. These factors indicate that many citizens are facing significant financial hardships, which contradict the assertion of an economic recovery. How can we reconcile these everyday struggles with the minister's optimistic outlook? My greetings to John Evans Kumoji and Chairman Ofosu Ampofo. We Kofi NDC. Okay, Alex Sechi also say it is perplexing to witness the selective pronouncement by the GBA on legal matters. When the Muntie 3 issue surfaced, the GBA was quick to issue a condemnation. However, their silence was defending when the Canada-Japan contempt issue emerged. Furthermore, the recent unethical behavior by the Attorney General seems to have rendered them mute. Those who demand equality must come with clean hands. The GBA credibility hangs on impartiality, and they must uphold the principle to maintain public trust. My greetings to Bawa Aminu, Communication Officer, Fuhad Agbenyazi, Deputy Regional Organizer. And also, and I say, Ado Richard, I say, I have unlimited. Destiny Edward, as I was suffering from chronic hepatitis B. I spent a lot on drugs. I never thought that a day like this will come by and I will be able to give up on drugs. I found Dr. James contact on. Wow, Charlie, these messages I am mentioning Muni in free so and fema. I was also bet me Johnny alive. On Facebook at Okuma Radio 97.1 megahertz. Now fe what to me the messages about na yenga jebre aken kind the amount. Yani Honorable Eric Asario Pare, communication team member, the my MPP work Kwapim North constituency. And afe Honorable Ebenezer Boafu Odum, executive member the my NDC Kwapim North constituency. And you go so anyone aiding Komono. Uncle V, member also be with the proposed free SHS bill. Ghana National Association of Teachers was Washa Abangi or persuade the free SHS bill no or the Amanyo Sem or the politics. Not for Neka Sensemi.
Accra, Meda was say, not a foka asemuya, eme wakakra. Sabe free SHS no, one echo school no, what one selected, and I say, one for tax and bond was a beer, Sabe CPP Nintino, 1 man in school, and no year NDC into 1 man, we MPP into 1 man in call. Not, but for let's say, rather no, they should channel their energy, maybe they should engage the government. So maybe if they have any input to do, concerning this bill, okay, better because so also what is politics in this? If there is a policy and the government of the day feels we need to entrench the policy so that successive government that will come will follow suit. I don't see anything wrong. I said there's going to be some sort of changes. And it's here, Matt was say there will not be any BCE exams. And SSS is going to be 6 years. The question is it going to help? That is what Nat should rather engage in, but not just, coming out to say they are doing, what politics are they doing? So when President Kufuor introduced the 4-year SHS and Mills came, changing to 3 years, were they doing politics? Was it politics as usual? Sometimes some of these statements, tends to, also, not your issues are, not teachers are suffering. Teachers have issues of which not should channel their energy into it. Not just some of these issues. If you feel say policy, or any input to do in the policy, table it, go to the ministry because we work hand in hand. Table all those information. You don't come out and give that open statement. That statement say they are doing what politics are they doing, or are they doing politics in such a way say only MPP kids will go to school or what, or only MPP kids will enjoy the freebies from the free SHS and because listen to the chairman I don't. It's not neither here nor there. I feel say there should rather be stakeholders engagement with the new things that obviously will introduce a woman. We build consensus. At the end of the day, we take tentative decisions that will help us. The moment I say they are doing politics, you're done the politics, and it is something that is not helping the cause of the nation. We should do away with our politics. That's what Dr. Bamia said. That we should throw away our political differences. When there is a policy, I feel say about Bomana. I'm say maybe I'm meeting who comment now running. And you made it clear. say free teachers de baby ababe bo man no it is say ababe say on trench no or sanye bill be parliament na be a law and whatever we nim say we have some laws be on it baby what tell say those laws are not strong enough. How do you call parliament? Parliament is just what na bill. I'm say first what they call. That's a we get to ma working can we are there 21 days and so say we be deliberation on it one year. It mesre say such statements no na they are too early. What say I am penting but then we are too quick to come out with certain decisions. I'm afraid say it's not helping matters. So not should rather come again on this. Thank you.
Okay, Uncle Phil me that say. Honorable Dum, not we say abang free SHS bill ya what person what they call parliament, you know. What the player man you say what the politics. That's most of them.
Yo, before I'm back, wo asem no so no. This evening I don't envy my brother Fee at all. Number one, or ye teacher ni. Me sure say or ye not member.
Me not member.
And also ye MPP communicator. Sir, you two roles in the head thing and you man.
Oh,
seriously. Didn't in America, sir. Very simple. Abangwe, the problem back over pa ne say a person introduce BBA on yet consultations. Instead of say or tenacity, na offer the major stakeholders, na picky ideas from them no koshe baby. No, I drafted the whole thing, not the about too many mu say take it or what, leave it. And this is why they are having a lot of problems.
A persuasive kind of leadership.
Exactly. Mary Bano, like he rightly said, free education is a very wonderful policy. Trust me. And I don't think say any forward-thinking human being be able to free education and yet at the papa. The major problem free education is facing now, it's practical implementation. Now, and no, I don't know how they see Ghanaians. They know very well, say, the policy is facing a lot of challenges. But as a walk a boardroom and we discuss, what about out? They want to paint a different picture. We want to assure them, say, nim say policy no, enkoye. Enuntino, they should spend their energies on correcting the implementation rather than legislation, you know. After all, who call legislative now we need the right source of funding. How do you implement it? And until now, I'm about mekan say FQ buo ho. Free compulsory universal basic education. And that's what constitution anymore. Enfi mo ye. And it does not limit the freeness to only basic education. Progressive. And until I think the way I want you who's what per se what sound call is more or less a duplication of effort. And secondly, what person will divert young attention. But young need what they should do, they should go back to the drawing board, find out what the issues are, which I believe they already know. One of them, infrastructure. And until many also some meeting be. Wo kala bi e wo fie say school no kra me wo ka memmente ase enso me kra ma kira de wo be hu no wo se green bi e wo fie pink bi nam kwan so awore kɔ na blue bi nso ti school ha we den wo de be fie a whole lot of confusion any ade inti no me de ubisa me a the problem now it is any awuti ya wo yawo na wo se wo fire funu yare eduru you are only deceiving yourself. The main problem with the free education is that number one, we rush and we implement it. Secondly, during the implementation stage, now we're saying major stakeholders in here then major stakeholders one info. Number one, teachers. Number two, parents. Number three, students ankasa. When you consider these three blocks, na say who consider beyond plight in any interest, then you come up with a very comprehensive document so that the implementation will be smooth. Okay. And I say, what I am Professor Adey, formerly of GIMPA. He said the same thing, say. He doesn't see why this government is spending so much energy on these LI issues when they know very well, say, there are core problems if face policy now. I was a government if you come be fast or be address it.
Okay. Honorable Midasipa. Before you call your next way, so no. Yeah, be phone lines, no. Now for your telephone set to me about more than that. Won't let me join in. Now, one summer in Timino. What to me about do me? 2 better my fresh Sabri 0551 667 755 0551 667 755 and now 0270 191 971 0270 191 971. So offer a bit watching chair now for yetimi Eddie Abua a Jumede no. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
But we need then Akasafi.
Your family is smaller than the Catapult Coboduma.
Okay, Bacho Mawanongo.
Metamasepa, Motopic Airport, Banya, entity Ninukano, and no quite so. Yandia no quite Kaka, Mount Government. I can say Bago Kaka, I can be the other one, Bamutomo, my government in our word.
Okay, Medasi Baby, okay. 2 better to me, our friend 0551 667 755 0551. 667 755 and now 0270 191 971 0270 191 971 na fe. Hello, good evening.
Yeah, good evening.
Bacha udini then Akasafi.
Bacha Richard Sani, Mekasafi Ayamampong Equiapim.
Richard Sani Mampong Equiapim Chira Wabian Yanko.
Yeah, Memfa Kwanya with Enchiam Yankasame boss, Mr. Udu. And Jumapa or the Boa, the great NDC party. Now, Accra, Mr. Wow, the person who team no ever mampon asimburum for almost 8 good years. Incompetent MP. They say we're going to fee regional sort of Okakwe South. ABC public toilet this year getting to almost 1.7 billion B. Up to now, 8 years in. For me, be a no ma a single man. Anything I yesterday amount for say, Yankasa parliamentary candidate, John Evans Kumoji, on the 7th December, will be uncle to Obama and JDM, incoming visionary leader. Obetume Ghana, a film Kwasuno, Mr. Cropon mind say. Almost to Obama, these 2 personalities, and almost able to my project crapping off. And yeah, baby, Papa,
Richard, that's it,
yeah,
that's it. Okay, we shall 0551 667 755 0551 667 755 and now 0270 191 971 0270 191 971. Now, between of messages soon after Facebook at Okuma Radio 97.1. Now, for Jumedi Nature, good live, and also what me are joining me 0551 667 755 0551 667 755 and now 0270 191 971. Okay. Hello, good evening.
Hello, Pacho, good evening.
Pacho, did this? Say, Nakasafi.
Pacho, Ayoba, Fi NDC, Mikasafri,
yes, so Kofi NDC, ma, come on, uncle.
Yo, Madawasi, na, painful nebu baby see. Moya no kufona monam, na almost masra, na o se wo sumbia. Ne say your boy ran heading. Efu anase asay. Boy ron ewu. Intino mesre entipini. Omang ni mu na ayedin. Ena yere bohu dehuru. Ye pagin kwa baba jigan. Eni ekrapi mine. Impempeng America kasi semis on tremi ekrapim empia. Empipini no to mean sininsa and kasi eyasimisi anase asimisi.
Okuma in the room.
Omu bekasa omunya botere. Enye se mprempre won aye se we so ni guo nganu na won tekrema no so aye dentinu. Omu hu se ada krapemfo saa na recording mesre ne nidim. Na ma boy ndisi ni na abaso Mechad Ahmed Agbenyaji John Ivasen Kumoji. Ono ye krapem not yen kania eni yeni. Hwe yatena kwasum 28 years ni. Yare hwehwa agenkwa na bedu. Eno ani John Ivasen Kumoji. Intimate
Kofi Anise meda asibe bre also betimi afre 0551 667 755 0551 667 755 and 0270 191 971 020 191 971. I say Small London listening to you live. God bless you. I'm listening to you live. Okay, offer for Abba. So hello, good evening.
Yo, good evening.
Bacho did this and Akasefi.
Yo, meeting the Mensa candidate, my friend Kwamaso Ekatem.
Moanonko.
Yo, Jerry can make me check and command. Yeah, incoming member of parliament. John Evans Kumuchi. Check as a pa and command. They didn't say MPP there. The Krapimemuno, that two Obama MPP at it. And so I made the NT and not to say, young Mebuno, you change it, Yajin. Now, the council, the first time voters, who took a crime with my first time voters. And I say, you know, I first time voters that. Now, Abana, you told with Krapimemuno, I'm buying into a bit in the agency. Now, two baby MPP, a bang a kuchi, a good Ghana for so in Kumubuno. Almost Sunday, levy be almost friend and recapitalization levy ever. A big one, a bang my eye. In our text and mechanic, we need Shema Wapia and monochrome.
Okay.
You know, I feel a end this, we crapping me back. 7 December there.
Okay, hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. Hello.
Hello.
Because open radio, actually, won't feel radio no kakra for mama why.
Hello.
Hello, good evening.
Fine evening.
The bacho did this and Akasafi.
Bacho me no comfort, me ka safe man fi.
Comfort man fi mo anon komam.
Bacho ye da mastopa pasem. Mbugu ni me bi so eni kire. Edamase na bato no so yenhwe siten na sunbi na amen.
Ma comfort here da sibebre pa. Okay, I think you bet me pick one or two quotes. But your last topic, Angofi, so chiabe fuel prices asan aman muso ebio or asasemi oka hoden.
You are cramming that say say fuel prices in the day. Say world prices no kosra. There's no way your man you bet make say you so to the sense bema omano aden. I actually no. Na nyame kan say you say maybe atwam enche biam say be about a year or half ni ekoya akra could do exorbitant yi bia na eyehu say ekoya ma na say na a liter akra ko be almost 20 cedis plus
17 to 20
yeah this akra ko be almost 20 but then it to me by be 11 10 even petrol kwade about be 10 at a point in time. And say akwa could do na na nyame kan say obi ana nkofo kase ade na yetu crude wa ha na iso still an yemfo no bono eden ade ba kope yetu wa ha ban refine oil no wa ha yetu yedeko na mom refine project anya eden ereba ha na ba so is an taxes na dia wode tototo na enye aban so na yeah enye aban so na for no control OICs the control into no na ma ban so enyi to me bebre sa the only time I say be akobeke so yi taxes bi na so per development taxes ya so na yebeje ya development you know when you say well to ayenyama sanya yiba me aka no on you say challenges in there ho na mom no repem no wo to nyama bi bia be kama so now say wo brain no eriko yinti na
yes
yeah
honorable me patch my 1 minute me ba obetimi afresh still 0551 667 755 0551 667 755 and 0270 191 971 na fe ye so now so nsem bi e wo team no dey about the honorable Edrum fuel prices go so echo so before that my men pick a call when you call. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
You got your design Akasafi.
Miss Bo Akasafi before.
You got your ding ni bio.
Ebo
ekropo mo wan nkom am.
Price dollar na ekosoro na eku kitikiti na ba me akere no odene ma IGP na IGP o breaki je na IGP enhu baby of fire and na ku so sa ye ma dollar mra fam na the fuel price ma fam
okay
you want can say yes a well price yes dollar no bon your economy ni na dollar is city ni strong ni say fuel price ma fam
ebo me that's it. That's it. Okay, honorable Odum, fuel prices no. Usum starting new then.
Yo, yemupi yebeka ya 2016. The current president Otisui of Gallon edi kujina campaign ase. E kan say yetisikaso so komode yen. 2016 year fi power no. Na a gallon of fuel was around 14 Ghana cedis.
Oh, Debbie,
yes, you can check.
I just checked right now.
I'll give As we speak now, the basic fuel price is around 70 Ghana cedis a gallon. Yes. And this is an indication, say, economy now what kind say wobabe ye ni ye ama Ghana for ye ho atoye no they have failed until they don't even have any moral right to say wobeka say yen san renew one mandate in yeden ema won and trust me when it comes to fuel a what direct effects e will be biara ye wo manimu eso orekasa no say ye tu wa ha na enso yen refine wa ha american kire ni pin say bibia ensi wo ho kwan say we be decide say we be refining wa ha nti say what ho na say excuses nkwan we be ma akosi 2024 they will laugh at the wrong side of their mouth because before we be power no enye sa nkomo no won Ghana fu di ansa na Ghana fu nya won arehemu say we betimi abaye bibi papa bi a woto abaye den e ma won nti wo hwese na ne ma rekona na chese ye na da bi keke ena wo be dada Ghana fu eye kasade wonim se eye na da ena wo de be dada Ghana fu but na me no wo kasai sisi ye nyina ye hu se sana wotenen eno nti no yare ntena ho ema wo mfa ye mfa sa kwan yisu biem because I don't understand why wo be $5 fi be ye almost 4 cedi to $1 na umaswa almost 16 ope say atememofo no yemfi ha no yenkotena ba bi fufura na ase den kwanga wodin afa so
I myself my joy online 2016 fuel was going for almost 16 cities but also 14 that was almost 16 cities oh there be 2 cities I say get to
and no a premium fuel and I say run 95 and I say
even January kwa 100 over my January kwa
now what they yen find say any figure no okay 16 to almost 70 Ghana cedis
but that time what was your salary any other kwa you say bibia kwa enyim that time na say my salary 1,000 cedis he say my salary I could buy 4,000 it times 4 this times 4 of this 80 70
we've gotten to a point that we are now justifying and rationalizing failure
no we are saying say
which is wrong
no we are saying say price of fuel no akosro ye yetum young Ghana funa young way of living sabe bibia
na country Ghana fu ansa no woto abama
oh there be say
we ba no we be country won say one way of living inti na ebe mafu el akoso na wo gina so no wode to abama Ghana fu montie o assistant pa me refree
Debbie akrati
assistant pa nice wa man to me awie no ba be kan kire wo say e ya wo fault nti na fu won akoso dia ene wo jejire
what say you don't want it na I want 4 prices now one nti na oh is I get to yeah bro yeah I'm say time na so na ya je ko si na maka no ya ni say challenges dey e wo ho na yempa boni say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia bema na nyema pa o ja to akwan mu no bibia be kama na me ma semsi no na merichia me boy bia oboa me kakakra wo fa na no Isaac bibia wo bia nya Mishra o em say onya ya oboa me rounds bi kakra na ya obwa me odi me konti Isaac ya me sure papa me gas
sabri medinchia kese be ma me ho kafo Mrs. Catherine Odum.
Nice.
My money ding a bi obeka si makwahye be. So okuma na me buy. Near to so being this was on a lighter side anyway. Near to so being Mesremo NDC for I work with Apem North. Ye won near me being as 7th December. Ye kone ye koye. Young voter population is a little over 60,000. A year Honorable John Evans Kumoji on any young parliamentary candidate. And I am presidential candidate. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. You focus on a young Kotoma.
I was saying to Honorable Eric Asario Parry, do not friend Uncle Fee, a communication team member, the MPP, a Apim North constituency. Honorable Ebenezer Boafodum, a executive member, the NDC, a Apim North constituency, and there one na many won't be a Jumedi. No, Honorable Neoka, Bo wife, my wife, I text me. Ose means to meet you in one moment in India, over to me. Mrs. Joyce, and I seti, and me ba penny a sada or yilabi. Woman, I will fear every.
Yo, Joyce, Mrs. Joyce, Asario Parry.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, to Joyce. Oh, one pound. Sorry.
Okay.
Yamisha, me say on your friend Muti me.
Nice one. I was here high Okuman Radio 97.1 megahertz. Okuman Degru ana ye de ba wa komo e ba be somo executive producer Mr. Kwaku Boateng afi the production team e bo me chidom Nana Kwame Imperi the finest afi Zigibi Eka K Brown na fe McFadden Okuman Bruni the entire production team wo Okuman had time echi Jumadi me enke obrempon na me di ho chiame Nyankopon yadmo chena me ne ho besan ehia e wa ha makramo
Ayiko me mamu nyina ayiko me makana for ayiko ya from Nana Kwame Imperi ubetimi afrom the finest and mema nyina ka achire ne me ayiko mra ye dwumadi ofufo bi kra eba wa kwam e wo koman